Guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Mr. CEO Alex and I am back with another value bound. Today I want to show you guys an indicator that my team has been working on for 6 months. It's called the Holy Indicator. Ironically, Justin Bieber's Holy song is one of my favorite songs. So ironically, we just name it after it. But anyways, without further ado, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me, guys. It really helps me. Okay, smash that subscribe button. Like, drop a comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this. It really helps my YouTube algorithm. So without further ado, let me just jump straight into it, guys. Okay, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any video when I drop them. All right, so first we want to go into the insert and go to the indicators list and go to customs. So whenever you purchase the Holy Indicator, you would have 3 indicators. You will have the Holy Candle Time. This is a time frame, a countdown of when that candlestick will close. Depending on the time frame that you're on, it will show you how many minutes or hours is left for that candlestick to close. Then we have the Holy Channel and we have the Holy Signal. Now I'm gonna put the Holy Channel first. No, let me put the Holy Signal first. All right. So when you get it, all you have to do is just click OK. Everything is automatically there. You don't have to worry about anything. It works at all time frames, so you can just add it there. Now it looks like this when you get the chart, right? So let me zoom in. Okay, sorry. Alright, it's gonna be a little bit small. Hold on, let me just. Let me go ahead and add it back. Alright, here's the Holy Channel. This is the Holy Channel. And then I'm gonna add the Holy Signal. Custom Holy Signal. Boom. There we go. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger now. Not sure why it was small. Maybe because I zoomed in. But anyways, the Holy Channel and the Holy Signal works like this. When the signal comes at the top, right here, you enter a sell position. When it comes at the bottom part, you enter a buy position. Along with the Holy Channel is kind of like the Bullion Japan along with an RSI. Now, if you know RSI, you have overbought and oversold. So at the top, basically mean that the pair is overbought and you would enter a sell. And at the bottom, it means that the pair is in a oversold pair, and you would go ahead and enter a buy. And if you look at the RSI as well, you would see that it is basically kind of intertwined. Now, what makes this indicator very powerful is that all you have to do is to just use the band along with the signal. Now, if you enter a sell signal right here, which is the first signal that was given right here, just for example, and as you can see, it goes all the way back. So, but we're just working off the band and the signal. Now, if you enter the sell signal right here, you see that price created this double top here, boom, shot down. It entered the blue area, entered the blue slash red area. As you can see, the moving average, the moving average also crossed over. So that's another indication that the trend is changing. So we enter a sell, and as you can see, it sell all the way to the other red area. Now, even though it didn't create a buy signal like here, once it is in the red area, you can go ahead and add a buy signal. So as you can see, price went into a buy and then went into a overbought, and then price started to sell again, sell again. So if you had held the sell signal right here and price came all the way down and then came back up, this is now a lower high. So price is definitely changing trend. So what you would do, you would move the stop loss wherever the stop loss was. You would move the stop loss above this lower high area. So this is now a risk-free trade. Your entry was here, and now your stop loss is below your entry. So this is a risk-free trade. Now you are able to hold this trade until you get another signal, which indicates a reversal. Now, if you had hold this trade from right here to all the way to right here, it's a lot of pips. It's around 575 pips, right? So that's how powerful this indicator is. Now, once you go ahead and move your signal, your stop loss from right here, you can always continue to trail it when price creates a lower high right here, and then price creates this buy entry, this buy signal. So what you can do, you can always close your sell position here if you want, or you can always squeeze it just to make sure that you're getting the most of it. And as you can see, once price hits your stop loss now, then you can go ahead and wait for another entry. And as you can see, price came right here in the blue area, buy signal, buy. Blue and red area, wait for the signal, boom, sell come all the way down to here. This is oversold, boom. Indicator on the 1 hour time frame to buy. We go ahead and jump in on the buy right here. And then we go ahead and buy. Now it is good to wait until the 1 hour candlestick is closed, because this is open, high, low, close, right? So what you can do, you can enter when price is closed and wait for the next candlestick to form, or to create our next candlestick to create its low, and then you can enter the trade right here. Because remember, you're going to be looking on the 1 hour time frame. So more than likely, when the 1 hour closes, a signal will pop up, or during that 1 hour, the signal will pop up. So you can enter a buy here, or once you see prices coming into the red area, always just wait for price to give you that signal or to go to its lowest part. Now, if you also use support and resistance, you would know that 1765 is a major key area for gold, and I would probably wait until price, this 1 hour, what's it doing. So as you can see, price shot all the way down. Once I see that price, maybe on the 30 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, price is coming back up, what I'll do is to just enter, because I know it's in an oversold or a buy area. Once you do that, you would see that price close above 1765, and then we will continue to hold the trade. Price creates a high right here, then a higher low, and this is a indication that the goal is changing trend. So it's no longer creating lower highs, it's creating higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So I would move my stop loss from below this to right here, and then boom, price shot up all the way close to the blue area. There's a sell signal. Now, because I know that the trend is changing, I will just scalp gold retracement. This isn't a reversal, this is a retracement. So I would scalp this retracement. Once price comes close in this blue area, then I would close that sell signal. I would still be holding this buy signal, but I would just sell this retracement. Once price finishes selling the retracement, and by the way, guys, the moving average chain crossover as well. So this also indicates that this is a buy. Remember, moving average, the yellow crosses over the white in a downward position. This is a sell. The yellow crosses the white in an upward. It's a buy. So we will go ahead and enter the buy there. And as you can see, price is going up in the red area. Price in the red area. We barely scalp this for the 3 hours, and then it's not that powerful. Also look at the candlestick, guys. If the candlesticks are small, that means it's not a lot of sell pressure. So it's not a reversal, it's just only a retracement. So if you want, you can scalp this retracement and call it maybe like a 100 pips or 15 pips. Let me see how many pips is this. From this high to this low, not bad, 66 pips. Better than nothing, right? How many persons can get 66 pips off gold? Not a lot. And as you can see, it's still in a powerful uptrend. So if you held this buy entry from right here, when price gave you this high all the way up here. This is 552 pips, guys. 552 pips. That's how significant this indicator is. And as you can see, price in an overbought area, in the red area as well. And as you can see, it starts to consolidate, moving average start to cross over. So you would enter a sell here, moving average start to cross over, boom, retest moving average, and came all the way down to the bottom of the red area. And then you would enter a buy. So basically you just buy, sell, buy, sell. Whenever you say just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Just always remember to use your support and resistance, and guys, and follow proper risk management. As you can see, this sell signal came all the way down here. So this indicator is very, very powerful. If you want, members in my group will get this indicator for $25 US. And for persons who are not in my group, I'm sorry, you have to get this indicator for $35 US. However, the amount of money that you guys will be making from this indicator, it will be a lot. Like I said, always follow proper risk management, guys. I've been using this indicator for quite some time, so I know it works, and it works with all pairs, not only gold. All you have to do is to go to insert, and this is MetaTrader 4, guys. It only works on MetaTrader 4. So you just need to open a MetaTrader 4, purchase the holy signal, and add it to your chart. So all you have to do is just find a pair, insert, indicator, customs, holy channel, and holy signal. So add it there, add it like that, add it, indicator, holy signal, boom. As you can see, it's the same thing, guys. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So as you can see, it's a very powerful tool. Now price is showing us a buy, so we are looking to see what price is going to do, because currently it's showing us that we should be buying GBP USD. Maybe we should buy here. Price comes back up and create a higher low to continue down. And as you can see, we were in a powerful uptrend. Well, this is a 4-hour time frame. So let me go. There it is. It also gives you an alert, guys. I'm happy that it shows you. It also gives you an alert. It says BO_alert.buy. So it's telling you to buy. So once you have it on all your charts, it will give you an alert when you should buy or sell. So you don't have to be looking at the chart. Once the alert pops up, once you can hear that alert, you would go ahead and enter a buy or sell. It will tell you what to do, and you would just buy or sell. You follow? So as you can see, the buy signal was there, and boom, you would buy it right there. Sell was here. Sell come all the way down here. So it's a very, very powerful tool, guys. So let me know. You can DM me on Instagram at Mr. CEO Alex. I will definitely be able to. You can definitely find me on Instagram at Mr. CEO Alex. Just send me a DM if you would like to purchase this. If you would like to make a purchase. If you would like to make a purchase of this indicator, you can definitely send me a DM on Instagram at Mr. CEO Alex. And if you're in my group, Telegram group, and you are interested in purchasing this, you can just text me on Telegram, and I will definitely provide you with all the details so you can get this indicator and add it to your chart. Now, once you download it, all you have to do is to go to File, Open Data folder, go to MQL4, and go to Indicators. Once you've extracted the indicator right here, you would see holy. All you have to do is to just drag and drop all three of these in your indicator, and just refresh MetaTrader, refresh it like this, and then go to Insert and go to Indicators, Customs, and you should see it. If you're not seeing it, you can just close and just open it back, and you should be able to see it, guys. Okay. Now, if you like this video, guys, please hit that thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. Drop a fire emoji or drop a nice emoji or a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.